mammillary bodies. See them here? They're just, I know they're hard to identify, but they're just caudal to the infundibulum.
So are these part
of that? Might see a little bit of mammillary. See, there's the very tips of them. See, 1, 2? And they go on there like that, right? So they're the mammillary bodies. They're hard to see. And some people had the perfect section that was a ½ millimetre this way and you could easily see them. But always use other structures. If you want mammillary bodies, you know that in that circle, chiasm, infundibulum, mammillary bodies. So they're all going to be on adjacent slices. Does that make sense? No, it doesn't make sense? Okay, well then...
I'm just having a hard time.
No, well let's do it. Can I draw somewhere?
I don't have...
Here's our smushed brain.
No, well there's your brain. Let's look on here. Oh, you haven't taken that off yet. So basically the chiasm comes in like this, okay, and then it crosses it. Oh, you do? Okay. So that's okay. So we're looking at the ventral aspect of the brain. Okay, so here's the ventral aspect of the brain. Here's a little bit of cerebellum here. So you all with me?
Yeah.
So the chiasm is about here, isn't it? Okay, like that, optic chiasm, and it goes up the optic tracts to the lateral geniculate nuclei, right? Then there's a little slit just caudal to that called the infundibulum, and that infundibulum is where the pituitary attaches. If we go up through that infundibulum, we get into the third ventricle. And then just caudal to that are going to be the 2 mammillary bodies, okay? Now, if we draw the circle of Willis, or the arterial circle in here, it comes along and it encircles all 3 of these structures, like that. So on this brain, I can see the chiasm here, which means that the first section is right through there, okay? Then I come back one, and I can see the third ventricle and the infundibulum, the pituitary stalk. So that next slice is there. And then on this one, we've gone right through the mammillary bodies like this. Okay? Does that make better sense for you? So now, if I... That's the part of the stalk of the pituitary. I was just going to pull this up for you and put it there. That's where the pituitary attaches. Okay? If we go just ventral to this and take off this little piece of pituitary stalk, there's the infundibulum. See it there? Going into the third ventricle. See that? So then let's take the next one here. That's a piece of the optic chiasm on there. Okay, and then let's go back one here, and these 2 little guys here are the mammillary bodies. Is that okay?
Yes.
Are you feeling happier now?
Yeah. So in here...
You shook your little